Tlacotalpan, the city of the Buenos Dias. Tlacotalpan declared cultural heritage site since December 2, 1998. Placed on the plain of Sotavento in the lower part of the Papaloapan River, which means River of the Butterflies. In 1862 it was built as a town, and then, on May 9, 1965, it was elevated to city status. Tlacotalpan has a Spanish influence determined by the laws of the Indias. The square, today Zócalo, is surrendered by the town hall, home of handicrafts and houses with porches. At the center of the square stands a kiosk built with Moorish details, being this emblematic of the place. The Church of San Cristobal, patron of the place, another church known as the Sanctuary of the Virgin of the Candelaria, where the Virgin is venerated from January 31 to February 9. This holiday has a lot of popularity as it has a lot of local and abroad visitors. The Mini Zoo Museum is an emblematic part of the place, by its spontaneous beauty and how surreal it can be. In the House of Culture, Agustín Lara's life and work of this famous songwriter is shown. Tlacotalpan is famous for its exquisite cuisine, whose main ingredients are seafood and shellfish, besides enjoying a delicious tamal of anise, typical of the region. Xalapa, capital of Veracruz, is surrounded by three main atolls called Xalopan, Xoltic, and Techocopan. A group of Totonac families came together and gave origin to Xalapa in 1519. Area declared as historic and artistic monuments on December 9, 1990, by the federal government. Currently, it has a catalog of more than 350 properties with historical and artistic value. Streets, parks, squares, buildings, and churches where its architectural beauty is shown. One example is the Cathedral of Xalapa, which is the parish church of the city, which possesses a tower in which at its peak holds a clock brought from England. The government palace is located on the site and designed in neoclassical pink stone. In the coveted streets of Xaltic, we can walk and remember the history of the city and its settlements dating from pre-Hispanic times. Just as its cultural wealth, Xalapa possesses a natural wealth just as the Juárez Park, a public park located in the historic center. A few meters from the town hall and the cathedral, we can find a part of sculptural figures of the Xalapan artist Gabriel Guerra, Las Cuatro Virtudes de Xalapa, which are the Fortaleza, Justicia, and Prudencia, placed in 1931, and Templanza, added in 1979. The Botanical Garden Francisco Javier Clavijero offers a total of 38 hectares, which from 30 of them are preserved in forest, in an old coffee plantation, and 8 of botanic expositions.